Flour, butter and milk are the crucial ingredients for the most versatile of all sauces. Once you have seen how easy it is to make it, I bet you'll snub the carton one in the store. Let's reveal all the secrets to prepare bechamel. Bechamel's paternity is disputed between the French and us Italians. Actually, it probably was Caterina De Medici who brought it to France with the name it had at that time, blue sauce. And it was then named after the courtier Luis De Bechamel, although Pellegrino Ortusi preferred calling it BECHAMEL SAUCE, a name neglected by now. So after this very long historical preface, let's see what ingredients are needed to prepare it. Milk, flour, butter, salt and nutmeg. Let's immediately warm some milk in a casserole. One could also use vegetable broth, meat broth or fish broth, but the result won't be bechamel but velouté. I'm going to put butter in another casserole to let it melt at low temperature. Thus we are preparing roux, a thickening base for all white sauces, which is made of butter and starch. All you have to do is replace butter with the seed oil and cow's milk with a non-dairy one of your choice. The butter has completely melted. Now you can add flour all at once and stir with a whisk to avoid lumps. No problem. All you have to do is replace the flour with the starch allowed, that is, the ones with the crossed grain symbol. I'll stir the roux till it gets golden, about 1 or 2 minutes. Mind there are 3 types of roux. They vary depending on cooking. The white roux, like ours, is slightly golden. The blonde and the brown ones have cooking times going from 2 to 5 minutes, and that's why they are useful for thicker and tastier sauces. I'll pour some milk first to loosen the bottom, and then I'll add the remaining milk and I'll keep stirring vigorously to avoid lumps. With these doses you'll obtain a medium-density bechamel, but should you prefer more liquid bechamel, all you'll have to do is reduce the amount of butter and flour in order to make it more liquid. Instead, if you prefer it to be thicker, you only have to increase the quantities of those. I let it cook for 15 minutes until the bechamel is dense and it starts bubbling. My bechamel is ready, so I just need to flavor it. In the ancient times, onion, cloves, laurel and nutmeg would be infused, but only the latter survived the test of time. At last, a pinch of salt. My bechamel is perfectly smooth. I'll teach you a little trick. All you have to do is strain it through a sieve. You can let it cool down in a low and large bowl and cover it with a cling film to avoid the crust. Then you can store it in the fridge for 2 or 3 days and in the freezer for about a month. We've run through nearly all secrets of bechamel, so all you have to do is make it and find out how easy it is. Lasagna, pasta and any other dish you like will gain an extra point. So fire to the hops. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and let me know.